What's up, YouTube? Can't get right back again with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to install your Anarchy Outdoor bow shroud for your Ruger Precision 300 Win rifle. Right here I have the stock shroud, and we're going to be installing the titanium aluminum shroud. Look at the quality on that. Very nicely designed. Excellent machine work. Alright, let's get to it. Got a regular table vise. Go ahead and light my bolt carrier in. And on the bolt shroud itself, just gonna slightly turn right till I hear it click. And it pulls right off. If you ever pull it the wrong way, to the right, and you hear that, that's not good. Because now it's gonna be locked in place. And the only way you can take it off or remove it is by using a table vise, which is going to take a little bit more force, but you're able to remove it. You hear that click, and then you got to turn right a little bit more, and it's off. Install the new one, slide on, and click, that's it. Don't go no further than that. If you go further than that, you gotta do the same process again. And when you use an aluminum bow shroud, it's gonna be harder to remove, so you might need vice grips at the end. And here you go, get right, team. The Anarchy Outdoors aluminum bow shroud for the 300 Win mag. Here's the original shroud. Yes, this one has the pin at the end for adjusting your trigger. Anarchy Outdoors, they make this same way for the upgraded ones, but I didn't get that one. But here you go, get right, gang. Let me know what you think. I wanted to do a video to show y'all how to do this, because I know a lot of people's buying these Ruger Precision rifles, and they probably had the same experience I had, where they accidentally turned the shroud to the right versus the left, and that shroud got stuck. And then I had to go all the way to my local firearm store or gunsmith so they can remove it for me. And then I got all the way home and I did the same thing again. So I always turn right and not left. Now you'll be making the same mistake I did. But this is it, get right, gang. Let me know what you think. Hit that comment, subscribe button, turn that notification on. Drop me a few comments, let me know what you think. Signing out, stay safe, can't get right. Peace.